All right, so today's gonna be a pretty quick video. I had a DM come in through Instagram at Rubixinator, by the way. If you ever have any questions on crypto or DeFi or investing or just life or business, or if I can support or help you in any way, make sure you give it a follow, shoot me a DM. I had a message come in and it was someone being a little emotional about the fact that Bitcoin is $97,000 today, down from 104, 105, 106. Crypto and DeFi, and I'm not trying to cast shade at this person, by the way. I fall into short-term thinking as well. I quickly forget about where I was in life or business or my investment portfolio or any aspect of my life. I quickly forget where I was just 6 months ago, 12 months ago. And I just think about, oh my God, where was I in the last week? I didn't make any progress, or things moved backwards. Like, I fall into that thinking too, and I'm always reminding myself, Lucas, zoom out. I have a journal where I journal every single day, and every time I'm feeling like I'm not making progress, or things are sucking, or just things aren't moving forward the way I thought they would, I just go back and look at where I was 6 months ago. I'll just flip back to half a year ago, look at the journal entries, and like the dreams, the goals, the ambitions I had, the results I was getting look very different, much smaller than the results I'm getting in life now. I go back 3 years ago and I'm like, oh my God, who the hell was that person? I go back 10 years ago, like I was unrecognizable. I'm not even close to the same person. And when you look at the chart of Bitcoin, and I'm just using Bitcoin as an example, you can use any asset. I mean, a lot of us are invested even in SUI, from $5 down to 3.2 or 3.4 today. Oh my God. But if we just look back 6 months ago for Bitcoin, I'm looking at 66,000. I don't know if you remember, but not that long ago, Bitcoin was at 20,000 and we're investing. We had liquidity pools and DeFi positions giving us cash flow when we're buying Bitcoin at $20,000. It is now $97,000 as of this recording, which is probably going to be different when you watch this, but you get the point. And over the last week, maybe the candle would look red. Over the last 3 months, we've just been trending sideways in liquidity pools, earning fees, etc. And if you look back 6 months ago, it's up and to the right. If you look at it 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago, it's like, oh my God. And so this message is really just to remind you to zoom out. It's easy to get discouraged with the short-term results of not just your crypto DeFi portfolio. Think about this. Fitness-wise, health-wise, financially wise, relationships, just where you are in life. It's so easy to lose perspective and then lose that sense of gratitude. If investors could just approach their portfolios with that, and every time they start feeling emotional, first of all, don't click any buttons, just zoom out. Remember, every chart, every time you log into your centralized exchange or on CoinMarketCap, I don't care what you log into, it's all showing you 24 hours. It's flashing plus 6% or minus 3% or minus 12%. Everything is on the daily to get you emotional so you click buttons and use the service. Think about that. Every time I log into this, it will automatically show me the last 24 hours. Every time I mean, if you look at most LPs and most DEXs, it's the same thing. The default view is 24 hours because that gets people emotional, so they buy, sell, trade, swap. I get it. Not blaming them for doing it. It's awesome marketing and it's great for the platform. But if it's kind of like the news too. The news is created to stir some kind of emotional reaction from us so we do something crazy. If we can just zoom out from that, and by the way, I think like 99% of people are locked into that. External environmental inputs constantly, all of the time, getting them to react. I mean, a lot of social media is built around that. Politics. If we could just stop, zoom out, and approach life from the 30,000 foot view, from just okay, I want to see what's going on, but let me not react until I get all the facts. And then you zoom out and you realize, oh my God, 99% of this, it's not a lie, it's just half-truths. Oh wow, when I zoom out over the week, we're just trending sideways this week. Why am I, oh okay. We were at 96, then we were at 103, and now we're at 97. We're actually further at, like, I'm making progress here. Oh, I zoom out 3 months, oh okay. We're doing great. We're making progress. Let's continue it. And you are less reactive to the markets. And most people lock in permanent loss and lose. They take losses. They buy high, sell low, which they would never admit to doing it, but their track record shows it. They're buying high when they're emotional because the markets are green and everyone's buying. And then they sell low when the markets are red and everyone's freaking out and Twitter is telling them to sell. Rinse and repeat over a decade. Of course, you're going to quit on creating any kind of financial success or financial freedom. We cannot adopt the herd mentality if we are to be successful in crypto, DeFi, and in all areas of our life. I know you already know that, but I'm reminding you, we're doing great. We're up and to the right. This bull run is not over, and you zoom out far enough. I don't care if we see a 50% crash tomorrow. You zoom out far enough, crypto is being adopted by institutions. DeFi just continues to innovate. Imagine where we'll be in 5 years or 10 years, and you make a decision now to strategically invest. So in 5 or 10 years, you're sowing so many freaking seeds. I wish people approached investing this way, not, oh my God, I'm up today, or oh my God, I'm down today. Click, click, sell, it's a scam. It's not. Money goes to where the innovation is happening. In DeFi, it's revolutionizing our financial system. I'll leave the rest up to you. Really hope this helps. I want to keep this video fairly short, so like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you in some way, shape, or form. Share it with someone you think is gambling and not investing. You know our central message is turning gamblers into investors. Crypto and DeFi is plagued with gamblers. We want to turn y'all into investors. Subscribe to this channel. Share it with someone you think it could serve. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.